Hello everyone. Today we are back with another small tale of anti-diabetic classification. So, as we all know, anti-diabetic as of such can be classified into oral and parental. In oral, we have enhanced insulin secretion, which overcome which insulin resistance and miscellaneous drugs. So let's start with enhanced insulin secretion. How we start? And this is a sad story of a guy, okay? This is a sad story of a guy who broke his heart. So, yes, here we go. Now, there was a guy in a village who has blocked whose life was blocked. So it's blocked, BLOCK, blocked. When I say blocked, so his life was blocked. So K, let me put K here, it's K plus channel blocker. Okay, K plus channel blocker. Okay, as his life was blocked, he was trying to clear his life, right? If something is blocked in his life, so he was trying to clear his life with the help of surf, tide, and phenyl. Okay, surf, tide, and phenyl. So it surf means sulfonylureas, tide is meglitinides, and phenyl is phenylalanine analogs. Okay, that's what he was trying to do. Let me give you a note. Everything which I have written here in orange is the key for the mnemonic. Okay, it's the key for the mnemonic. It's the key for the story which I'm trying to say. Clear? Let me start it back. There was a guy in a village, a poor guy in his village, whose life was blocked. When I say blocked, BLOCKED, sorry, CKED. So K stands for potassium and blocked, so it's potassium channel blocker. As his life was blocked, he was using surf, tide, and phenyl to clear the block. He was using surf, tide, and phenyl to clear the blocks. When I say it, it means sulfonylureas, meglitinides, phenylalanine analogs. Okay, phenylalanine analogs. So, who was the boy? Now the question is, who is the boy? What is the name of the boy? Come on. The name of the boy was Chotu. Okay, so GCHTO, Chotu. Okay, so Chotu, chloropropamide, tolbutamide. They are first generation sulfonylureas as of such. Now, who's this Chotu? This Chotu is he was gliding into his life as a natty rapper. Okay, he was gliding into his life as a natty rapper. When I said gliding, it means glibenclamide, glipizide, glicazide, glimpride. Clear? Natty, when I say natty rapper, nattiglinide and ripaglinide. Clear? Now, even if this guy was trying, right? This guy was trying his life to be getting proper. He was using surf and all those stuff, but that was not happening. But he was unable to clean his life properly. After he got in breakup, he was in deep heartbreak. He was unable to come out. That's why he was in deep heartbreak. So when I say deep, put DP. So it's a DPP4 inhibitor. Now, to clean this deep heartbreak, his friends thought of taking him for a tea. Lipton tea, okay, means tea. The tea is Lipton tea. You know Lipton? Lipton is a green tea. So, who are those friends? So, Sita, Lina, along with Saksa and Vilda went for a Lipton tea break. Okay, who were those? Sita and Lina, along with Saksa and Vilda. Okay, it's VILDA. Vilda gone for a Lipton tea break. Okay, so this is the first. That's it. The first step is over. Something which enhance insulin secretion, or those who are. First we saw potassium channel blockers and your DPP4 inhibitors. How to remember? A guy had a block in his life. Okay, when I say block, BLOCK means BLOCK. So your K is your potassium channel blocker and block is blocked. So therefore he used surf excel, means surf, tide, and phenyl to clean his life. Now who was this guy? The guy name was Chotu. Okay, chlorpropamide, tolbutamide. Who is this Chotu? The Chotu is someone who was gliding into his life as a natty rapper. Okay, so to escape. So even after he tried all this stuff, nothing was working in his life. It was so because of a deep breakup what he was went through to his life. So his friends Sita, Lena, along with Vilda and Saksa, talked to take him for a Lipton tea break. Okay, got it. But even after going with his friends, he was so depressed. He was so depressed. He was unable to come out of those breakups. Breakups are so tough, right? You can't come out of it so easily. So to overcome that, okay. When I say overcome, it's your insulin resistance, okay. When I say overcome, just remember it's insulin. To overcome that, he went for a BTS show. Okay, he went for a BTS show. When I say BTS, it's your bigonide and thiazolidinone. Okay, bigonide and thiazolidinone. You understand this? So BTS. You can go on where he went for BTS show and he met BTS with a pie. Pie. He met the BTS with a pie. So when I say met, it's metformin. Pie is pioglitazone. Yeah, got it? So he went for a tea break, but he was unable to come out of his so-called breakup. He was so depressed. So he went for a BTS show and met a BTS with a pie. So this is what it's. So when I say BTS, it's bigunide and thiazolidinone, and he met metformin, and with pie is pioglitazone. Clear? Clear. Even after he met his BTS, even after he was so depressed. He was so depressed. He was feeling somewhere incomplete. He was feeling so incomplete in his life. So therefore, now comes the hero of the show, okay? Therefore, the glue means he was glued, okay, he was glued with sadness. Sadness. He was glued with sadness. So it's glued. So GLU, sad, S. We don't have A as of such, okay? D. He was glued with sadness. So when I say glued, it's glucosidase. S means in sad, S means SGL2 inhibitor. We don't have A, and D is your D2 agonist, which is your dopamine. Now he was glued with sadness. Now someone came into his life. Okay, his name was Mig. Okay, his name was Mig. So it's Miglitol. He showed him an AV. So AV is acarbose and oglibose. Okay, he showed him as AV, and the AV was like a gin for him. Okay, so the he showed him an AV. The AV was so beautiful that he felt so great, and he saw the Mick, and he felt that Mick is a gin for him. Okay, gin who can erase all his sadness and bring the happiness back into his life. So gin for him, that is your dapagliflozin. And the story goes on like with the brotherhood between the Chotu and the Mig. So it's bromocriptine. Clear? So his life was glued with sadness. Therefore, a guy came to his life. His name was Mig, who showed him an AV. The AV was so overwhelmed that he felt that this Mig guy is a jinn, and therefore the bromance continues. Beautiful, right? The story is good. Now see. Then he took his Mig. Okay. Now he took the Mig to introduce his parents. Okay. Now he took Mig to introduce his parents. So when I say parents, it's parental. Okay. Now, in introduction to his parents, he was introducing that this guy, so GUI, this guy took the hard feelings of his ex. Now the name of the ex is gonna be revealed. The hard feelings of the ex, whose name was Lyra. Okay, when say X, it's your excitinide. exenatide and lira is liraglutide. Okay, and he found a greatest amigo, 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 it's amylin analog who can erase all his tide from his life. So it's amylin tide, right? How beautiful story, right? At times, better friends make really great stories in your life. Do have some good friends in your life. Okay, that's the end of the story. Okay, I'll come back to the story after I just explain a little bit about insulin. Insulin, as of such, have three classification. Okay, that is your rapidly acting, short. For this, there is no story. Okay, story ends. For this, rapidly acting, short acting, intermediate, and long acting. And how you remember rapidly acting is name is rapid, okay, but it lags. Okay, so the mnemonic for this is lag. So it's lispro, aspart, glulicin, which acts for around 15 to 20 minutes. And short acting, it's RS. Okay, so regular insulin semilente, which act for 5 to 8 hours. And intermediate acting, it's your isofen and lente. Okay, or NPH or isofen and lente, which acts for 16 to 18 hours. And long acting is your GD. It's your glargine, determinant, and D-glutide, which act for 24 hours. And the highest among this is your D-glutide, which acts for 42 hours. And the pH for glargine, the only stuff which has pH of 4, pH which acts at 4 is your glargine, okay, which is pH at 4 is your glargine. Clear? Now let's come back to story. Now we know the story, right? So it will be very beautiful for us to recap. Okay, so we have as of such three classification for oral, that is your enhanced insulin secretion, which with insulin resistance and miscellaneous drugs. So here we go. So now enhanced insulin secretion should be like this. A guy in a village had a block in his life. Therefore, he tried to use sulf, tide, and phenyl to clear the block. Okay, who was the guy? The guy named is Chotu. Okay, who is Chotu? This Chotu was gliding into a career in his life for being a natty rapper. Even he tried to clean all this stuff. He was deep broken from his heart. So his friends Sita, Lena, along with Vilda and Saksa, thought of taking him for a tea. Even he went for a tea with his friend. He had a good time with his friends. He was not satisfied. He was feeling so bad. So therefore, to overcome this, he thought of going for a BTS show. In that show, he met BTS and gave a pie. Okay, he met BTS and gave a pie, but still he was not happy. So, excuse me, he met BTS and so his life was glued. With sadness. So, to overcome the sadness, a guy called Mick came into his life. He showed him an AV from which he was so overwhelmed. Okay, and he saw Mick as a jinn of his life. And they had a good brotherly bond between them. And he took this Mick and introduced Mick to his parents. Okay, and he said, "This is a guy who took back all my ex, means the hard feelings of my ex named Lira out, and he's a amigo who cleared all the feelings, means broken feelings like a tide." Okay, like a tide. So this is a story. I hope this story is so short. And yes, for clinicals, okay, I'll just complete this. And we saw about insulins is a rapidly short-acting, intermediate, long-acting. We saw certain drugs. So this is about a classification. I hope this is a beautiful story which you could have heard. Sometimes good friends make great companies. Sometimes good friends make really great company. Okay, so be grateful if you have such good friends. And yes, one more thing which I want to say you is there are certain clinical stuff which I wanted to take on this, which I'll be taking separately in a live session. I made this classification session just because, so it will be easy for you to remember. Once you know this, when we take clinical session, like what drug used for what and why, what adverse effect, it will be very easy for you guys. Okay, that's why I made this. So I hope this short story session would be really helpful for you guys to remember these trucks. And yes, I've seen really great support from your people, and I wish you guys give me this support to do great works. And down the comment box, do comment, do like, do share, and do subscribe to see many more such videos. Okay, really thank you for your support. I'm so overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed by your support, which is making me to go great height. And thank you so much. See ya. We'll meet you next video. Take care. Bye bye.